Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a Cuban style mojito. You'll need to select a white rum that's been aged 2 to 5 years. You don't want a rum that's too busy or too heavy in taste. The rums shown here are ones that I'm comfortable recommending. If you're interested in using a different type of rum, let me know in the comments below. You'll also need a juicy lime, some cane sugar, some mint, some club soda or soda water, and be prepared to use a lot of ice.
Okay, so outright you're going to want to start with a lime. Now, you want a lime that's smooth, not the ones that are oblong and sort of pointy. You want ones that are nice and smooth and round, right? And when you pinch on it, it gives a little bit. This is the type of lime that you want. So first things first, you cut off the ends and then you quarter this lime. Okay, so now these are ready to be squeezed and entered into the glass. The recipe calls for 3/4 of a lime.
Here you'll need to add 2 healthy teaspoons of sugar. Press and massage the limes to combine them with the sugar. Use about 6 or 7 mint leaves and introduce them to the glass. Add a little bit of the stem. Okay, so this part is really important. You need to gently massage the mint using a muddler or a wooden spoon. Do not shred the mint. Add a little bit of ice. Use your white rum and cover 2/3 of the glass. You should have 1/3 of the glass empty. Pour 1.5 ounces or 50 milliliters of soda water. Mix to combine the flavor at the bottom with the liquid on top. Add more ice and top it off with soda water. Add part of a sprig for garnish. Drop in a straw and it's complete. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you made it this far, thanks for taking the time to view this video. Smash that subscribe button and check out some of my other content. Thanks for watching.